for me right now. Hello. I'm here. Hello. Hello. So what's next? Huh? Jim Fashion. I said, what's next? Today ice cream I'm making, I'm adding fresh yogurt. Every day I don't add, but today I'm adding it, and I will add cheese too. I'm in the kitchen cooking, and you are saying the kitchen when you are. This one, when you use her, it's very fast. It makes you get small onions. It will not be chopped, but it will get small cubes. My battery is weak. It will not help us to make our potatoes balls, but all I will do is I will do this is my meat. I will add meat and chicken to my potatoes balls. So this is my meat I'm coming to. When I do it, I put it in the fridge, and I'll give some to someone. The person will give me money. It's like order. This is meat. So